how to activate Wells Fargo's debit card. Now, as you can see, I'm currently using my laptop for this tutorial so that you'll get a wider view on what we are doing. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and let's just head to the Wells Fargo's official website. And from here, just simply choose on the first result for you to be able to route to the official site. Now, this is going to be your website. Now from here, all I have to do is just log into your account and you should be able to activate your debit card immediately. And then the second option that you can do is you can scan the code with your mobile phone to activate your debit card. Now, if you're having an issues activating your card, you can simply dial or call this hotline number so that you will be routed to a live customer support agent with Wells Fargo's. Now, the third option that you can do is you can activate online using your Wells Fargo mobile application. Just download it via the Play Store if you're using an Android, and download it via the Apple Store if you're using an iOS device. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can activate your Wells Fargo's debit card.